Yeah. What's up, cousins? How you doing? Welcome back to a new video. Today is a hair video. Trying on some vacation hair. Going to Jamaica in a few weeks. Like literally three weeks. So I think I found what let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. I think I found what I'm bringing. So if you're interested to see how this closure looks like a frontal, keep watching. That's what I gotta say.
Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, oh yes, I like that.
Okay, so I'm gonna just jump right in. I really wanted to have a easygoing, long, wavy type of look. I know you just see me snatch off a shorter look. I want something to take to the beach because I'm going to Jamaica and I don't want to think about it. I just want to throw it on and go. I got a daughter, so you know I wanted easy peasy lemon squeezy. I chose this. This is a 26-inch. I like that it was like full, and I wanted it to be still long and not so kinky and poofy. You know when they send you some, when you buy some and the ends poof up. I wanted it to cascade down but hold a curl, and I didn't have to do the curl. I wanted it to come equipped. That's what I got with Reshine. So it looks like it'll be like kind of a similar process to getting it ready. But let's just see what it looks like on. I'm just gonna adjust the straps real quick. That's what she said. The closest to the comb because I got this little peasy head, as you can see. Yo, mind you, I'm fiending to hurry up because the instant my daughter wakes up, the party is done. So the closure is fairly small. It's not one of those super wide ones. It's just, you know your roots, come for what you know, leave as you are type of situation. So what I'm gonna do is I don't even think I need to bleach the knots. I'm watching Avatar, so if you hear it in the background, girl, act like you know. Y'all think I can get through this this video real quick without her yelling at me? That's why I'm speeding through it like this. Like normally I would try to just, you know, take it easy, be calm, and just talk to you through. But one, this hair is foolproof. Two, it's looking like a you know, like an easy situation. Three, I don't want to wake up the sleeping giant. And that's kind of my speed on my day-to-day. Don't wake up the sleeping giant. And also normally I would probably, okay, it already gave me a pushover option. I'm listening. Let me stand up so you can see how it's laying. Let me go into the white. Okay, you know, you see, it's just flowing. It's not poofy at the end. It's just cascading. It's vibing. It's the type of cascade where it's like, should I pluck? It looks good already. I'm not gonna front. Don't that look pre-plucked to you? I look a little pre-plucked to me. I don't think I'm the villain. It don't look like it needs to be plucked. I'm not gonna front. But then, you know, when you cut off the lace, a whole nother girl be showing up. They be like, oh, you saw it? Oh, you dumb. It's like a brown lace already. It's already tinted. The knots are not bleached, but they're not like super aggressive. Cause you know, sometimes you can get some, just see straight black dots on your front. On your lace from afar, from across the street, mind you. You can see the dots. I can tell it's like a good, like nice, clean, airy lace when it already comes, like the lace comes a bit rigid. To me, in my opinion, I feel like if it has a rigid cut at the top of the lace, but when you get it, it means it's not like super thick. Cause a super thick one, you could just cut a straight line through. Thin ones, you know, they come jagged. Just using my Cover FX powder and my foundation shade, which is N120. So sad, by the way, they do not come in Sephora anymore. Cover FX is not in Sephora no more, and that is just blasphemy. Like, how could you do that? I don't know about you, I don't always want to do lace fronts. Like, sometimes I just want to take that joint off at night and let my partner know this is who you signed up for. Not sorry. This wig gonna come off at night, because sometimes, you know, you secure the lace like a 13x4, you know, a good the lace front so good, you sleep in them, so they get a little spoiled with the fact that, you know, you waking up with a, you know, with baby hairs that look like you just put them on overnight. No, that's not who I came out the womb as. I'm sorry. Morning star shine. The herb says hello type shit. Okay, so I think this is good enough. Oh my god, don't make me do a side pony, girl. Let me get back to the task at hand. I'm gonna just use this Got To Be Insta Hose on. And I'm gonna just spray it down on the lace, girl. Lightly at first, so it don't drip down onto my makeup. I remember when I first seen Avatar and he was doing that speech where, like, you know, they done broke down home tree, you know, and he done got the big ass bird and he flew down like, yo, what's up, my bad, I was wildin', but I'm the big dog. You remember that? That speech that he had him translate made me cry when I first watched Avatar. I don't know, random fun fact. And then when she got on the back of that man, her man with the big bird, I was like, yes, can you like go off, girl? I said, I know the village was jealous that day.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, oh yes, I like that.
Bitch, I'm back. I'm popular demand.
I did not come to play with you hoes. I came to slay, bitch. I like cornbread and collard greens, bitch. Oh yes, you best to believe it.
Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati.
Pause. Okay, so I was right. I just found this on my sleeve. It's an HD lace. Okay, makes sense. Got it. Okay, HD lace and a closure. They might have said something. All right. I'm gonna be Jada. Wait up.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mouth for flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
I'm not gonna do it, girl. Already, baby. Will it pass the true test of me loving it?